It's July, and we're on the countdown for the reunion of the Trail Ridge Store Grand Lake Lodge former employees, decades covered from the 1960s through the 2000s. Here in front of my store with 4th of July banners up, we're getting ready to celebrate a glorious 4th with fireworks in Grand Lake. But it won't be the summer of 2015 if you're not here to celebrate with us the 100th anniversary of the founding of Rocky Mountain National Park and the reunion of former employees. Connect with people from your years and age group. Make plans to be here. We want to see you in Grand Lake. Standing here in front of the historic Foghorn Bar, which many of you will have fond memories of as the 3-2 honky tonk, where we danced the nights away and drank 3-2 Coors beer in the 1960s, 70s, and 80s. Now it's called Grumpy's, which we are hopeful that someday it will recover its real name, the Foghorn Saloon.